understanding microphone mathematics.
Ladies and gentlemen, how's everybody doing tonight? This is Reg George, Block Party Trading. Tonight, I wanted to talk to you, or today, depending on what part of the world you're in, about those positions that you rush into. Those ones that you know you probably shouldn't take, but you do anyways. And how to avoid them. What little extra step can we take? Very simple. Today we are going to talk about the Block Party Trading pre-flight checklist. 3 simple questions to ask yourself before you ever get into a position to avoid yourself so much headache and so much loss. Seriously, these 3 questions are going to save you so much trouble in the world of trading. You ready? Good, because I got a quick disclaimer for you. Trading is naturally risky. Crypto trading is one of the riskiest markets, one of the riskiest endeavors out there, okay? Never trade more than you're willing to lose, and if it ever starts affecting you and affecting your health or financially, then just stop doing it. There's other ways to make money that don't put yourself at risk, okay? Again, this isn't financial advice. This is just me looking out for you, okay? Number 1, are you worried? Concern is natural, okay? It's okay to be concerned about something. You're putting money on the line. You should be concerned about it. You should be thinking of the possible things that could go wrong with this position, okay? That's natural. However, worry after you've taken the necessary steps to make sure that position's safe, taken your stop losses, done your research, is not healthy. Okay, that might mean that you're risking more than you should, that you're taking a poor position, that you're not confident, something like that. Don't ignore it, okay? It's telling you something. You need to listen to that. Question number 2. What's the market doing today? Crypto is extremely heavily focused by the hype right now in the news and what's going on in the markets, right? Like any good emerging market. And BTC runs the whole show. If it's crashing, the whole market's going to be going with it often. So know what everything's doing, know what the state of the market is before you put your money into that market. Question number 3, when will I exit the position? Set your TP and stop loss and stop thinking about it. You see that number going up. We're naturally greedy apes. We're all going to want to see 200% instead of 100%. That's just the fact of the matter. Figure out where you're going to take profit. Figure out where you're going to exit that position if there's ever a stop loss situation, and set them and do not deviate. Strategy is our shield. With proper risk management and everything else in place, we can take the emotion out of the equation. Okay? So those are your 3 questions to ask before you ever get into any position. Are you worried about it? What's the market doing today? And when will I exit that position? Both in terms of take profit and stop loss. I want you guys to ask yourself this before you ever enter a position, and I guarantee you that will save you so much time and effort and headache, and more importantly, save you a lot of money, because that's why we're all here, right? To make money and to not lose money. Thanks a lot for joining me tonight, guys. This has been Reg George, Block Party Trading. If you want more wonderful content like this, you want to spend more evenings listening to an extremely obnoxious Canadian and his British friend and his British robot, then please subscribe to Block Party Trading here on YouTube. Feel free to check us out on Telegram. Check out our website, www.blockpartytrading.com. And as always, party on.